So I think we shall start. It's very informal. The very informal beginning, because I would like the meeting to be informal. We have a lot of formalities in our everyday life, and we invited you here to have some rest, to relax, to meet other people, to have nice time, but we just forgot to book the weather. And we are paying for this terrible mistake. Sorry very much, really. There are new faces, new people we didn't see before. That's why we wanted each coordinator to say just a few words, really a few words about the institution the group come from, and you know, so the other people, the strangers for us who we didn't know yet, would be able to know exactly what we are doing, what kind of people we are. So, Polish team, on behalf of the Polish team, I say welcome to Nysa, have a nice stay here, and I hope you will come here again somewhere in the nearest future. Thank you very much for coming. Now, I would like to introduce my girls, my colleagues. They are there. They are very happy, as you can see. Kamila, some people already know her, and Aniela. And Martin, he's, you know, the one with the big camera. Radek is behind you taking photos. And yes, one more person, Sonia, she's a new worker. Thank you very much.
My name is Maria, and I come from Ferrol, and all the people there are from Ferrol as well. Say hello, please.
Good morning.
Oh.
Thank you. But I'm not the star. I'm not the star. I was the star, but now I am only special guest. Okay? No organization, no bus, no telephone. I am only special guest. I give I don't know come si chiama, microfono. I give the microphone at my pupils who are the best student in my school. Congratulations.
I'm 13 years old, and it's my first time in Poland. I really love Poland. It's very interesting. The most beautiful things for now.
I'm 12 years old. I'm from Castel San Pietro Terme in Italy. I go to school Fratelli Pizzigotti.
Hello. First of all, I'd like to thank Janina for organization of everything, because I know how difficult thing is, especially if the group is like this, very big. So thanks again. And as we are a Czech group, we are very close to Poland borders, and also Czech and Polish have a lot of things common.
Hello everybody, we're from Portugal, from Oze, which is about the middle of Portugal. It's a pretty hot and rainy place. It's annoying. We're from a group called Art Via. We teach adult people several classes of like English, arts, music, and we also organize events.
Hello everyone, my name is Gillian, this is Mary, and we are the Scottish group up the back there. It is a real pleasure to be here. We are involved in an environmental project in Scotland, in Falkirk, which is a town which is in the central part of Scotland between Glasgow and Edinburgh.
We are from Turkey, and my friend Hayriye is from Turkey too. We are living in a town of Darıca, which is in the middle of Istanbul and Kocaeli, the biggest cities of Turkey. and we have been representing the culture, the Public Education Center of Darija. We have established 2 years ago,